Okay. So here is it. You can see this is a ferrite coil. Putting in one ferrite coil, you can see the input on the output. Right, this is the inverter system. So this is the three outputs. Light 1, light 2, and light 3. While this is the input, this will be your cooling fan. This will be placed on top like this. So now we're going to test it here as the negative, while this has the positive. We'll be testing it with this bulb and incandescent bulb where I have it. You can see it's a 40 watt incandescent bulb. You see how powerful the device is. And when I'm done with the connection, the video will continue. Now we're going to test it with a single 3.7 volts. It's even low. Just one of these batteries. I'm going to use it to power this bulb in this device. See, okay. You can see how many volts?
10 watts.
10 watts bulb first. Okay, this is also the positive. You can see there is no wire under it. Okay. Now, also is the positive. Right, this is the negative. Can see. Can see how bright it is. Let me remove it so you can see. Okay, you can see. Got it. You can see.
Let's
Just
check
a single
the second phase.
Now let's check the second phase. Okay, come closer.
So this is the first phase.
This is first phase. You can see.
Then the
This is
second
the second
phase.
phase. High voltage with high currents. This is just one battery, one 3.7 volts. You can see we have 3 of it here. So let's test it again. You can see how bright it is now for just two 3.7 volt battery. You can see. Now let's test it with the 40 watt bulb. So you can see that this device is very, very powerful. Our engineer here is going to place it there. Now let's first try it with the single 3.7 volt battery. Watch. You can see it on this bulb, just this. Now let's test it with the secondary. You can see. Then watch. You can see the amount of current that this little thing can output. This small ferrite. Now let's put 2 of this little battery, and the battery is low. Yeah, matter. You can see how bright it is. Now test it with the other one. You can see how bright. Let's make it 3 now. And the battery is even below 7 volts. The battery does deplete very well. Let's even up to 12 volts. You can get this amount of energy from it. No comments. My face not too sharp.
No.
Okay, move on from the book. Face him. Okay, you can see. Connect it. You can see. Let's add the other battery. You can see how bright it is now. You can see. You can see. Look at the spark. Spark it. You can see. Look at the high voltage spark. Look at the arc. See the high voltage arc. Now connect to the higher one. You can see how bright it is. This small thing.
Sharp.
This small inverter. So you can see just with a small battery. This small 3.7 volt battery. It's not even up to 3.7 volt because the battery has already been depleted. You can get a very high power from it. This is the cooling fan. So when I'm done, this device will be coupled up, and we're going to see how efficient the device is. So you can see it's fully coupled. You can see this is. But we're also going to test it with your multimeter here to know the amount of voltage this device outputs. You can see this is your input. This is the fan cable. So blow out the heat. Now let's see how many voltage this device can output. I don't even need that wire set now. So now we're connecting it to the multimeter here. Can you see? Now let's test it with just this small battery.
1000.
Look at it. Let's first go to get closer. Let's go to 250 volts. Now you're going to watch the arrow here. Look at it.
230.
You can see 230 volts.
230
With look at
volts.
it. Point it.
With
With
one
just this
battery.
battery,
Just
one battery.
3.7
you can get
volts
3.7 volts. You can get 230 volts. Now put it. Let's try
battery. It with 2.
2. Can you see?
More than.
Can you see more than 250 volts? Now let's go to 1000 volts. Can you see more than 1000
more than
volts?
one.
Okay, let me remove it and see.
More than 1000 volts.
Can you see? Look at the battery. Can you see more than 1000 volts?
7.4
This device.
volts.
Now let's make it 3 now.
12 volts.
You can see the fan now is moving, blowing out the heat. You can see. Let me remove it. You can see it again. 1000 volts, 250 volts within the ND, 1000 volts. You can see how powerful this device is. Now,